What's up, guys? We're back here, back in the valley. We got this new LT80 we just picked up, back with the whole group. All right, so it's a bit later. We have this entire pallet pasture right here that we are going to be able to burn down and create a bonfire with, and just a bunch of these other like stumps and piles around the property. And this is how it's starting out, but hopefully it's going to get way bigger from here.
Hopefully it's going to be a pasture by the end of this.
All right, so we're starting up the fire here. Smoke's looking really black. It's clearing up now. It was really bad before, but we got a good consistent flame, and we're just going to keep stacking pallets on here. Okay, so we haven't even added anything onto it, and this sucker's already getting bigger. God. Getting a little hot, but we're just ripping all this top wire out, and then we'll just stack all these pallets on top of it. But he's like that. He is like that, ladies. Oh. All right, so the tractor just got to be not enough. We had to bust out the big guns and use the excavator. Going back here, we ripped some of those pallets out, me and Carter.
We wouldn't have known that. Here, Mason, grab the other side.
Put it on the fire!
What is he? He could have been done by now. I don't know what he's doing. It's just been...
Why? We'll make more fires. Oh my God.
No way.
So the whole pasture is pretty light now. You can like see all through down there. At this point, we almost don't even need lights. That's because we got this sucker doing it for us. This is gonna be our last load on this fire before we start another one down there, because it's just getting too far to haul everything too. So it's gonna be our last load on this one.
Look at all this shit it's throwing up, Carter.
It looks big from afar, but like
this close now, like you realize it's not that big.
He has flames 30 feet in the air, maybe 45.
Carter's getting yelled at by his mom right now because it doesn't look that big on camera, but this thing is a big freaking fire, and we were not supposed to build it this big.
This would be if this was like a nice field with a nice little cherry tree under it, it wouldn't be that bad.
Carter, that's not a cherry tree.
Yes, it is.
That does not look like a cherry tree.
Carson. Can you tell Mason that's a cherry tree?
I'm not saying that's not. I'm saying I've never seen a cherry tree that looks like that.
Keep the same attitude. No, step out, step out.
It's a little preoccupied.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat your ass. Come on. Come on, sit right here, sit right here. Come on. Running, talk shit. Talk shit now, motherfucker. Talk shit now. Get your ass back in there. Push that.
It could just be the taste of cereal, but this shit looking kind of tastes like cheese.
Tastes like cheese. Anyways, we're in here. Carter and Carson out there making a fire for tomorrow. But that's a little too much work. Oh, having some cinnamon toast pebbles. And we're just having a good time, you know.
I wonder how deep you can get this thing. All those frogs.
All right, it's the next morning. Just came out here. We got Carter working on another fire already. I can hear Carson off in the excavator, but oh, Duke. Oh dear. Oh dang, nabbit. Hey, off the phone, dude. Shoot. So we found Carson. He was on like the other side of the property. Not too sure what he's trying to achieve here. Master operator.
Okay, so we just got done half-ass picking up. It's been a terrible day. I think Nathan's going home. Mason's about to head home. Me and Carson still got some work to do, but catch you on the next video.